ready to blast off and mint 1,000 NFTs on OpenSea. Buckle up, because this is your express guide to populating your collection efficiently. First, let's design our smart contract. Key considerations here are the token standard ERC7-1 is common and carefully planning your metadata structure for efficient storage. Now, gas fees on Ethereum can be a killer. So optimization is crucial. Think about using efficient data structures and minimizing on-chain computations. Gas is a cost. Every mint has to be optimized to save you money. Next, batch minting is your secret weapon. Instead of minting one NFT at a time, we'll group transactions together to reduce gas costs. This allows you to upload multiple NFT metadata files using one transaction to the smart contract. I highly recommend using a service that provides you a link to a generated JSON file to save you some time. After you deploy and verify your smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, it is now time to populate your OpenSea account. Use the contract address to create your collection on OpenSea. Then, begin to batch mint your NFTs from the smart contract. And there you have it, 1,000 NFTs ready for the world on OpenSea. By strategically designing your smart contract, employing gas optimization techniques, and leveraging batch minting, you will be well on your way to creating NFT collections efficiently.